What do y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the cake of fortune. Finally, I decided to jump in and make my investment into the cake of fortune. Why? Because I believe in the near future, cake will explode. Cake, if you recall, last year or 2 years ago, cake was hovering around 14 and 16 bucks. Okay, at some point was steady at 20 bucks, but then dropped to 16 and then 14, then 10, and now just below 4 bucks. Okay, I believe in the next bull run, the cake has the potential to do 4x, to go back to 14 to 16 bucks per cake. Hence me planning ahead and using the cake of fortune to farm my cake. Okay, essentially the cake of fortune it's an ROI miner where the daily APR goes up to 3% daily. Depends on how you play the game. Okay, so if you claim, just claim, you know, the APR will keep on dropping. The way I'm planning to play this game is um, claim and redeposit 50% of my claim every time, every day, or every time I come over here and hit take my fortune. So I will take my fortune and redeposit 50% of my fortune to earn more miners to keep continue earning close to 3% or even 3%. Okay, so cake is part of the fortune hunters project. Okay, guys, they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 projects right now. So cake was launched on the 7th of May 2022, so it's 10 months old. Okay, you might be thinking, damn, this is too late to jump in because it's 10 months old. Okay, no, it's not, because if you come over here, well, in my opinion though, if you come over here to the TVL, we can see the cake the cake of fortune, it's going up and up and up. The TVL is going crazy. Okay, currently the TVL is at 18.5 thousand cake, which is worth just 70k. Okay, just 70k. That just shows how people are still playing with this project. Okay, so if you come over here to the transfers, we can see that people are still investing in this thing. 10 or 11 months old. Okay, people are still playing about with cake. Okay, and I am going to do the same. Okay, guys, and I'm going to show you step by step how to play about with the project. Okay, so first things first, you got to connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so if you don't have a link, the link for this project is going to be in the description below. It's a referral link. You can use mine if you want to. If not, just pick another referral link and use that link to jump in. Okay, so once you connect your MetaMask, right, you gotta approve first. So I am going to buy 100 cakes. So let me go over to PancakeSwap. As you can see, connecting my wallet, PancakeSwap. So 100 cake at the moment is worth 380 bucks, okay, or 1.2223 BNB. I am happy with that, even though a few days back I was talking to CT in crypto, like, I need to buy cake because I want to invest in cake of fortune. And back then, when we were talking, the cake was around 340, 350 per cake. Okay, and now the cake just spiked up to 3.8. Okay, today was like 3.9 something. It dropped a little bit, so I was like, okay, let me just buy now because otherwise I'm gonna miss my chance to buy this cake at lower price, because when the cake is already pumped, you know, there is no point buying at the top because people will sell at the top, and you know, if you buy at the top, you will get burned. Okay, simple as that. So I have 100 cake right there, so I'm gonna hit swap. So you hit swap, you pay the MetaMask gas fee, and then the cake will be sent to your wallet. Let's go. And that's it. Fun fact, guys. When I first started my crypto journey, you know, the first platform that I started to play with was PancakeSwap, and back then the cake was about 20 bucks. I remember me having like 2 or 3 cakes and trying to build my cake portfolio all the way to 10 cakes. And back then, the farms and pools, the APRs were like 200%, 300%, were quite high. Okay, today, it's very rare to see a pool or farm with APR higher than 50%. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the cake token to my wallet because I don't have the cake token in my wallet. So I'm gonna add the cake token so I can see token in my MetaMask. Okay, that's done. So if you come over here to my MetaMask, we can see that I have my 100 cake right there. Okay, so now I can close this down. Okay, so now I have my 100 cake and I am going to approve 101 cake, or yeah, 101 cake. So you approve spend first. Okay, so you only have to do this one time. So once you approve just 100, okay, so because I'm going to redeposit 50%, it's going to be lower than 100, obviously, okay, I won't have to approve again, okay, guys. So I will just have to come over here and redeposit to hire more miners because my maximum approval will be 101 cake, okay. Okay, just approved. Okay, so the cake has been approved. So now I have to enter cake amount and click higher below. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've entered the amount that I want to spend because I only have 100 in my wallet. Okay, so now I'm going to hit higher. Okay, so when you hit high, you can see that I will receive 309 million hunters, miners, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then obviously, because we are interacting with a smart contract, we have to pay another gas fee. Okay, so once I pay that gas fee, right, my hunters will be right here and they will start hunting the cake for me. And that's it. Confirm right there. So now let's give it a few seconds and we should be able to see my stats. Okay, the number of hunters, feet per hour, and the basket or cart or whatever you want to call it will be full in 24 hours. Okay, but as far as I'm concerned, there is no cutoff timer or cooldown. Okay, so you can claim or you can compound at any time. Okay, so there is no countdown timer. Okay, let me just refresh the page. Even though the timer will pop up right here, okay, there will be no cutoff time. Okay, so as you can see right here, I already have 0.0015 cake. Okay, so my strategy is come over here at least once a day or whenever I remember. I will take your fortune, or that means claim, and this one means compound. Okay, so I will take my fortune, okay, and then so let's say for example tomorrow I will have so if it's 3%, I will have 3 cake, okay, or 4 cake. Let's say for example 4 cake. I will come over here and deposit 2 cake. So I'll pocket 2 cake and I will deposit 2 cake. Okay, so that's gonna be my compounding and my 50-50 strategy. Okay, and essentially guys, it is that simple. But if you're not familiar with Cake Fortune, link for this will be in the description. Okay, so over here you got the Cake of Fortune, or COF for short, how it works. Okay, and also they have an explanation about taxes. Okay, and they have an explanation how miners works. Okay, so if you're not familiar with miners, I would highly recommend you to come over here and read this piece of information right here. It's very helpful to help you understand how a miner works and how to make the most of it. Okay, guys. And another reason why I decided to invest in COF, not only because I want to grow my cake portfolio, but because the community is playing the game right, and also they have external revenue. Hence, this project being live for 10 months, nearly 11 months. Okay, guys. So yeah, that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.